I'm here at Ecovacs at CES 2026. These guys are experts in robotics, so I am really excited to see what's inside, so I'm gonna go check it out. Ecovacs is already really well known for its robot vacuums. However, they're a real innovator when it comes to the mopping side of things. They were the very first to introduce the rolling mop, and that technology is really great. I love it because it's always putting clean water onto the floor, plus it really scrubs and cleans it really well. So you'll see that in the X11 Omni Cyclone, and that just happened to have won an Innovation Award here at CES 2026. Plus, we have a great video on GadgetGuy so you can learn all about it. But I also saw a really cool thing called Focus Jet technology here in the X12. Now, this is actually, it's got some nozzles on the front and it sprays a cleaning solution out in front of it. Then it waits for it to dissolve. Maybe you've got a greasy stain or something that's really dried on there. It will let it dissolve and then it moves forward and mops it up. I think this is really cool. This isn't coming to Australia, but I think we'll see the technology one of these days anyway. But what I really want to show you is a new robot vacuum. It is the T90. So it incorporates some of the stuff from these top-of-the-range robot vacuum systems, plus some new stuff. So let's go take a look at it. So here it is. This is the T90. That includes both the robot vacuum as well as the Omni station here. And this is great for obviously automatically changing the dustbin, and the dirty mop water goes out and clean mop water goes in. But the real innovation is with the Osmo roller brush. So that's the rolling brush. This is now 50% longer. It is 26 centimeters. And the reason why you'd want that is because it can clean more with each mopping pass. And I really love that because I want my floor to be cleaned as fast as possible. Now there's a new design too. It looks great, but you're gonna have to imagine the white version in Australia because that's the one that's coming to Australia. But it's got a lovely new texture. It kind of almost feels like a fabric. I really like this, plus these chrome accents here. Lots of nice sort of curved edges, a little more Scandi, a little more sort of, I guess just a nice sort of organic design. Now the Osmo Roller 3 also extends outwards, which is great because it can clean along walls as well as getting into corners. And I think that that extra width is also really good for example, larger stains because it can really get them all in just one pass instead of having to kind of go through and then back around to get it again. There are also 16 nozzles placed equally along the length of the Osmo roller, and that just makes sure that it gets a nice even distribution of clean water for every rotation. I think it looks great. It'll look great in your home, especially in that white, so keep that in mind. Now, in terms of positioning, the T90 Pro Omni is just down from the top of the range, so you sort of find it in that space. So you're gonna get a lot of these features for a little bit less money, and that's great too. So apart from cleaning inside, Ecovacs is definitely moving outdoors. So yes, they have had a robotic lawnmower as well as robotic window cleaners, but now they have a whole new category, and that is, of course, robotic pool cleaners here. Now they've got two models. You've got the C1 as well as the P1, so a couple of different price points. But the capabilities of these, I think this is great, is that they leverage off of Ecovacs' robotic vacuum technologies to make a really good pool cleaner. So that includes things like obstacle detection and avoidance. It has intelligent path planning, so it can find all the spots to clean around your pool. I mean, these things have sort of like these tracks and suction to kind of go up the sides of your pools and give it a really thorough cleaning. You got these rotating brushes here, which are really got lots of big nibs on here, and I think they'll do a really good cleaning job. The C1 here does 8,000 gallons per hour of sort of sucking water through it, and this one here does about 4,000. So very capable, battery powered, and they're smart too, so they'll be able to come back to exactly where you place them in the pool, sort of back to where you started as well. And look, I think that Ecovacs getting into pool cleaning is a really great thing. It just makes sense with all the technologies that they've already developed now applied in the pool. So I think the key differences between the C1 and the P1 is that the C1 has all of the sensors. So you can see at the front of the unit, it's got its 3D sensors in terms of figuring out where it is, how it navigates, how it plans past, whereas the P1 here just uses the standard sort of sensors under here to figure out where it is. So nobody wants to mow their lawn, of course, and we see some innovations here with Ecovacs. Now they have 3 new robotic lawnmowers. But I think the really big thing here is that they no longer require beacons to be set at the edges of your property. They can now use this triple sensor system, which is a 360 LiDAR sensor on the top, one on the front, as well as a video camera on the front to figure out where the edges of your property is, as well as other obstacles. So it uses, again, its obstacle avoidance, path planning technologies, just so it can find its way around your lawn. Now, there are 3 different models, one that does a 1/4 acre, one that does a 1/2 acre, and one that does 3/4 acres. But this is in a day, not a week like some other competitors talk about their sort of acreage in a week. These are capable of doing these in a day, so they're very quick, very efficient. But what I really love about this is they've addressed a major pain point, which is actually having to go around the edges of your lawn after your robotic lawnmower with an edge trimmer to trim them because they just can't handle it. But this has a true edge trimmer that uses like a whippersnipper and I guess some sensors to actually do the edge trimming itself, meaning you don't have to. And I think that is such a clever innovation. So what I have here is the new Windbot W3 Omni. So this is the 3rd generation of Ecovacs' window cleaning robot. Now, if you haven't seen this before, this actually goes along your windows, it wipes everything off, it cleans your windows with this sort of squeegee here and this sort of track system. But it's actually seen some innovations as it goes along. So the first one is that it connects to this base station here, and this will provide power to it. But now it'll also help you clean sort of these cleaning pads, which is a fantastic addition because otherwise you'd have to do it yourself. And I think this is a much better way of doing it. So what happens, and I'll just quickly show you how it works, is when it's done cleaning the window, and it obviously stays on there using suction, you can take it off, and then you just pull out this cleaning plate here. So it goes like this, we'll pull it off, and then I'll set this down, and then you can actually put it into the station. And now there are both clean and dirty water tanks in here as well. So I'll just open it up like this. This comes out. We just place it in here. And then from there, inside, you can see there's a real cleaning system in here. Actually, it's pretty thorough. So it's got both brushes here as well as squeegees. Brushes to get the dirt off, and then the squeegees will then remove the excess water so it's ready to go for the next cleaning. You just close it like this, and then you just press the cleaning button, and off it goes. So this will take about a minute to do it, and then once it's finished, you just take it off. This goes back on here to the robot unit, and then up it goes back onto the window. And you basically just have no worries about cleaning your windows. And I love that because who wants to do that these days? Especially with homes in Australia, I think that there's a lot of glass and you can use the Windbot for things like, you know, your glass balconies, separators for your pool to keep things safe. Pretty much anywhere, even on shower screens and that type of thing too. So there's lots of great uses for this. And I really love this in my home. So hopefully you'll enjoy it in yours. Well, this is the fun part. So Ecovacs not only cleans your home inside and out, it's also exploring digital companionship. So this is little Milo, and this is a kind of a robotic dog, you know, or a pet that's all about sort of giving you some love back. Now, what I really like is that it's actually very clever. So it uses AI and some sensors to do things like detect where I'm looking or where my eyes are so it can interact with me. It can also detect the heat from my hand when I'm touching it, giving it a little scratch here behind the ears. And you can hear that this one here is actually, you know, talking to me. So I'm already feeling a bit more comfortable. Oh, it's actually making it's got something to say to this, this camera session here as well. But look, I think that this is just a really exciting new area showing that robotics is more than just cleaning your home. It's about delivering, I guess, comfort and companionship. And it can even play a role in your home too, like maybe keep an eye on the garden and tell another device when the lawn should be mowed, but hey, that's all in the future. But ultimately, imagine this, I mean, maybe for older parents, keeping them company, or maybe if you're living on your own, you just love to have a little pet here. But best of all is that it reacts to me and can kind of sense what I need. So anyway, hopefully we'll see more of this in Australia. But again, this is just a concept right now, but I think it's definitely going places. Right, buddy? Oh yeah, also I don't need to feed it and don't need to clean up after it, although a robot vac might help me with that. That's another good part of it too. That's our quick tour of the Ecovacs stand here at CES 2026. So I think it's pretty amazing to see 27 years worth of innovation from Ecovacs all coming together here, indoors, outdoors, and even some really cool digital companion concepts. So you will see the outdoor stuff maybe coming out second half of the year, and the robotic vacuum T90 pretty imminently, pretty soon. But otherwise, thanks for watching this quick video. I'm Val from GadgetGuy, and we'll catch you in the next one.